It's great to see you all. Thank you for coming here today. The Indian Constitution contains several articles that cover various aspects of social, economic, and political rights. Below is a brief summary of Articles 41 to 50. Article 41, right to work, to education, and to public assistance in certain cases. This article emphasizes the state's responsibility to ensure the right to work, education, and public assistance for individuals who are unable to support themselves and have no means of livelihood. It encourages the state to make provisions for securing these rights, especially for the vulnerable sections of society. Article 42, provision for just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. Article 42 directs the state to make provisions for ensuring just and humane conditions of work for all citizens. It also mandates the state to provide maternity relief to women workers during pregnancy and after childbirth. Article 43, participation of workers in management of industries. This article promotes the participation of workers in the management of industries. It encourages the state to take steps to secure their participation and ensure that workers have a say in the decision-making processes that affect them. Article 43A, participation of workers in management of industries. Article 43A was inserted by the 42nd Amendment Act, 1976, and it aims to promote the participation of workers in the management of undertakings, establishments, or other organizations engaged in any industry. It seeks to create a cooperative and participative atmosphere in workplaces. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code for the Citizens. Article 44 states that the state shall endeavor to secure a uniform civil code for all citizens throughout India. The UCC would replace the personal laws based on religious practices and apply to matters such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, and property rights. Article 45, provision for free and compulsory education for children. Article 45 emphasizes the state's duty to provide free and compulsory education to all children until they reach the age of 14 years. It directs the state to make effective provisions to ensure that children receive education and opportunities for development. Article 46, promotion of educational and economic interests of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other weaker sections. Article 46 focuses on the state's responsibility to promote the educational and economic interests of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other weaker sections of society. It directs the state to protect these communities from social injustice and all forms of exploitation. Article 47, duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living. This article emphasizes the state's duty to improve public health and raise the nutritional standards of the people. It directs the state to focus on the welfare of the population and work towards eradicating malnutrition and other health issues. Article 48, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 48 emphasizes the protection and improvement of agricultural and animal husbandry practices. It directs the state to take steps to organize agriculture and animal husbandry on modern and scientific lines to ensure the welfare of the people. Article 49, protection of monuments and places of national importance. Article 49 highlights the state's duty to protect national monuments and places of historical and cultural importance. It aims to preserve and safeguard the country's rich heritage for future generations. Article 50, separation of the judiciary from the executive. Article 50 underscores the importance of separating the judiciary from the executive to ensure the independence of the judiciary. It aims to maintain the integrity and impartiality of the judicial system. Please note that the Indian Constitution can be amended, and there may have been changes or additions to these articles beyond my last update. For the most current and accurate information, it's always best to refer to the latest version of the Indian Constitution.